Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Deputy Commissioner Joga East Khasi Hills District, SC Sadhu, Haga Arpasantarik Ukalalangkot Arjar Arpulai, Ula Kyntu Yik Paidbah Nongshong Shnong Joga East Khasi Hills District, Bakin Pyndonkam Hok, Yalaga Jonga Vote, Bat Ban Mi Renti Haga Thep Vote, Kaban Salong Haga Arpunyo Tarik Urumpang Arjar Arpulai, Haga Ba, Kajalakan Sajit Yakinong Mikmat Gibatamai, Shaka Ying Dorbar Tawan Jonga Jilla. Kani ke Kyntu jong Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills District kalong kum shibenta jong ke jingrakhi ya ke National Voters Day rengkat lang bat kari India barak hoi ha ke jingyalang ke balalong hanong ba shalong ha kani ke sengi la sakhi lang ru daki officer bat kinong tray jong ke office u Deputy Commissioner.
Enrollment is still open. Enrollment is still open till the last day of nominations. So people who are, voters who are eligible to be enrolled, they are still welcome, and it is an easy facilitation from our side to ensure that without much problem they can get registered. And also is that in consideration with this upcoming elections, this year's Voters Day is more important. But we have just heard where Chief Secretary was also mentioning that this time election should be more inclusive and participative. So which means is that last assembly elections, our entire state participation roughly around 86%, and our district is almost around roughly on the same lines from around 80. Last assembly elections, our polling percentage.
Yes, it's 80.09.
80%. This is still less when we compare with the state average, and also this time we are looking at somewhere to 90 to 95% of voting. So with this, all stakeholders has to put effort to ensure this participation. So I would like to appeal to all political parties to appeal to all voters, particularly young voters, to come forward and to cast their vote. From our side, what we say is that to encourage them to cast their vote without any bias or without any allegiance to any caste, creed, religion, or any other inducements or any intimidation should not be there. It should be free, fair and transparent elections. And also our objective again from our side, missionary side, I have been reiterating time and again, we are not biased or we are not in favor or against any particular group or political party. And not only that, we are just not saying for the sake of saying, but we also show through our actions that we are not biased. So this will ensure free and fair elections, and this National Voters Day in Meghalaya, that's why is more important for us to ensure more inclusive and participative elections. You also must have seen that where this year we are focusing more on assured minimum facilities in all our polling stations. So be it access to persons with disabilities, be it access to drinking water, toilets. Though we cannot have 100% in our facilities in all 100% of the polling stations without any fear or intimidation, and also come freely so that this entire procedure is very smooth and transparent. With this, I would like to again thank all the political parties for participating in this National Voters Day, and we shall be meeting very frequently. But our request and appeal is that this message should go to all corners, all sections of the district, so that in the coming elections, we should also disseminate the information that 27th is our date of poll, and we should also ensure that we should go beyond 90% of the participation in terms of casting their vote in a responsible way.